Oga, who you dey look for here? Eh? Who you dey look for? Come here, who you dey look for here? Eh? Good. I don't finally catch you. Because they tell me anytime when I travel, one guy, they always come meet my wife for early morning for here. I don't catch you. Now you, so now you be the person, abi?
True? I don't understand. Which kind of talk be that one? When they see me like this now, so small pikin like me, what I do with your wife?
You must be very crazy. If not dey look for my wife, wetin you dey do for my door? Wey dey open my door this early morning? This kind early morning, the other person door dey open am.
Okay. Okay, yesterday when I dey pass this una gate, wey be like market. I come hear say one person dey mention plumber. I no know the person o, but na wetin I hear. I come say plumber, and I'm a plumber, professional for that matter, and I say no. Quiet.
You say be plumber. The person tell you say na this gate na dey look for plumber.
I hear that for this thing.
Tell you say na this gate.
Wait na. I hear that for this when I dey pass. That come start with this gate. If you look me under now, I'm about to knock before you attack me. No, I can sue you.
You're about to knock.
I want to know now for call me now. So you wait to me like this
so my eye call it deceive me, abi? So okay. Give me my full spec. What dey the view? I don't scan you since for there. You dey try open this gate. You want rob me? You want go meet my wife, abi?
So what is this job? Okay. As a plumber, I have to do my job. I dey fight to survive.
You be plumber, you have to do your job. Where the tools wey you bring come when you want to do the job? Wey you talk say you want to do plumber work for here? Where the tools?
Wetin be this?
This one na plumber tools.
Wetin come be this one?
This one no be tools be this na. Where dey worry you? Where dey worry this man?
My brother.
No,
wait. Okay, you be plumber. You be plumber.
I no be plumber, but I know plumber tools.
Na you teach me work. You be plumber. You be plumber. Na this dey teach me work. This like this now, so if I shook am for your toilet, if I do am like this, see, without the toad, all your socket will don clear.
Don clear.
Yes, na you dey see this thing.
You must be very crazy. Bingo, I carry bingo. My dog don see food this morning. This my dog, thank God, he don dey hungry for like 2 weeks now. I never even chop. Na you and I be the food wey the dog must chop. Honey, come confirm this guy for me.
Honey, again, don't do that.
Honey, come confirm this guy.
I don't want to again. I don't want to again.
Bingo, lock that gate. Musa, lock the gate.